Hello everyone, in this lecture we will see some basic quiz or the beginner level quiz for Linux. So I'm already connected with my Red Hat Linux machine. You can check host name, serial command, and you can see that currently I'm connected with Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So these commands you can run it on CentOS, Fedora, Ubuntu, any of these Linux distribution. So let us understand first command. So first question is that what does the command pw do? So pwd is the present working directory. So what it will do? So the options are prints the present working directory. You can pause this video and you can try to answer this question. So now pwd command is basically returning the present working directory where you are currently in. So I'm in slash home Raman's directory. Next command is which command is used to create a new directory. So again, I would say that you pause the video on each question and try to answer by yourself. It indicates that you are very clear on the basics. So mkdir command. So for example, I want to create test1 directory. So it already exists. So if I say test1 2 directory, right? So if I say ls minus ld and test 1, 2. So you can see, yes, one directory get created. What does ls minus la command? What does ls minus a show that ls alone does not? So it is saying that what is the purpose of ls minus l? Whether it shows the sizes, hidden files, permission, or directory name. So it shows the hidden files. So let us see. So if I say ls, so you can see there are so many files and folders. But if I say ls minus LA. So you will see some files which are started with dot. So these are called the hidden files. In Linux, if there are some hidden files, so these are presented by dot, means started with the dot. Okay. Now, what command would you use to move into the parent directory? So if you want to go to a directory, say an example, I'm going to test1 2 directory. And if you want to switch back to your parent's directory, so parent is Raman's directory in this case. So cd root, cd up, cd dot dot, cd slash. So the command is cd dot dot. Okay. So this is basically my present working directory is now Raman's directory. What command would you use to create a new empty file? Create test.txt, file text.txt, touch text.txt, nano text.txt. So here, if you create a file with a touch, say testing.txt. So this file will be the empty file. So if I say ls minus l, so you will see that there is a testing file get created, and this file is created just now, and it will be the empty file. So if I say cat, if you want to read this file, testing.txt, so you can see it is an empty file. Which symbol is used to redirect the output to a file, overwrite the file? This is append, and this is output, this is input, and this is pipe symbol. So yeah, answer is B. So what we will do here, we'll say cat and greater than, and not cat. If you want to use any command also, for example, if I say ls and greater than, I want to put it under testing.txt file. So you can see now in the testing.txt file, there is one output, which is list of my files. Okay. What does cat file.txt command grep hello will do? So what it will do? It displays all the lines in the file.txt, searches for the word hello in all the files, shows only the lines in file.txt that contains hello, creates a new file called hello. So answer is C. So let's create one file. So if I say nano and I'll call it file.txt. Okay. And what I'm doing, I'm writing some, this is line 1, this is line 2. This is hello world line. This is hello testing line. This is simple line. So I'm saving this file. Now, if I run this command, which is cat to read the file, and pipe symbol is used to take the input from the left-hand side of its command. So this command will return the output of file.txt, means the content of the file.txt. Pipe symbol, now if I say grep and I want to search hello. So now what it will do, it will return the lines which are having hello world. Now next one is, what is the difference between rm file.txt and rm minus r? So rm is to remove the file. For example, if I want to remove the file.txt, so it will remove the file because there is one alias which is defined. So it is confirming before deleting the file. And rm minus r is recursive. For example, if I have a file or a directory, let's try to delete testing or this the one which we have created just now, test12 directory. Let's try to remove this. So if I say rm and test12, which is a directory, so it is saying you cannot remove it, right? Because it's a directory. But if I say rm minus r test12, so now it is asking, do you want to remove this? Yes. Now this is removed. So you will not see test12. Okay, that is question number 8. Question number 9. How do you list all the currently running processes? So if you want to see all the current running processes, list PSAUX and run list top minus X. So the answer is PSAUX. So if I run this command, so just 1 second. Yeah. So if I run the command PS and AUX, so you can see it is showing all the running processes, right? With their process ID, percentage of memory use, CPU use, and other information. I have given the answer here, so you can later, if you want to see the answer and when you're trying by yourself, then you can see the answers here. What is the function of pipe symbol operator in the shell command? That I will leave up to you. Write it into the comment, answer of question 2. That's it. My name is Raman. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.